Hello, beautiful souls. Let's get you your weekly love reading for the week of May 18 to 24. Here are the energies that you're going to anticipate or will be the focus of your love life. It regardless kung single ka in your self-love healing journey or in a certain situationship, relationship, connection, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, or wife, take it however is going to resonate with your situation. I'm Ana Santiago, your self-truth coach, intuitive mentor, and the host of Awakening Truths podcast. So without further ado, alamin natin what will be the energies of your love life this week. Angel Spirit. Okay, so we have here Cupid. So with the Cupid card here, love is in the air when Cupid's around. So love is in the air. So meaning to say, hindi mo kailangang may other person to prove it that you are loved, you are enough. Kumaga parang you needed to feel within yourself that you are enough, that you are loved. Kasi sometimes, some of us, we are seeking that certain love. We are looking for that love on the external. But in reality, kung ano man yung matatanggap natin from other people na love, care, value, respect will only be an additional. You yourself need to acknowledge that you are enough, that you are beautiful, that you are wonderful, kasi hindi natin yun nakikita, hindi natin na-appreciate yung sarili natin. So the first person, the first relationship that you needed to establish is the relationship with yourself. Kasi kung ikaw mismo hindi mo kayang mahalin, respetuhin, pahalagahan at pasiyahin yung sarili mo, you will be outsourcing it. Hahanapin mo yun yung external happiness or external fulfillment to suffice that certain emptiness within yourself. Kasi ikaw mismo, hindi mo yun pinupuno. So instead na hanapin mo yun, feel grateful, thankful, contented of who you are, what you are, and what you currently are becoming. Kasi again, kung ano man yung matatanggap mo from other people around you, it's only an additional. So you need to feel grateful, appreciate yourself. So rather than waiting to be appreciated, waiting to be loved, waiting to be acknowledged by other people, it's time for you to appreciate yourself. Ikaw yung unang maka-acknowledge or maka-appreciate na sarili mo. Kasi the first, the love, care, value, respect that you are longing to receive from other people, ikaw dapat ang magbibigay nun. At kung ano man yung matatanggap mo from other people around you will only be an additional. Kasi nga might be this week or this recent week is kumaga parang intense or medyo triggering. So may natitrigger na insecurities mo to the extent na hinahanap mo yun on the external. Or for others of you, you had been relying on that certain fulfillment, satisfaction, appreciation, attention from other people to the extent na pag nawala yon, you feel not good enough, that you are not worthy, na parang may kulang within yourself. Again, ikaw dapat yung unang maniwala at magtiwala sa sarili mo, magmahal. If you wanted to be loved, if you wanted to be respected, ikaw dapat ang unang gumawa nun sa sarili mo. Okay, so alamin natin what will be the energy, what do you needed to know about yourself. Angel Spirit Universe. Ano yung kailangan mong malaman about yourself? Angel Spirit Universe. Okay, so we have here the Page of Pentacles. So, Page of Pentacles or the Princess of Pentacles. So, it's either masyado kang nagiging fixated dun sa stability and security, that approval on the external. To the extent na, yun nga, dun ka lang nagiging reliant. So, it's time for you to find that stability and security within yourself. So, kumbaga, wag mong i-outsource yung confidence, yung fulfillment, satisfaction from other people around you. It's you that needs to give it to yourself first. You need to find it within yourself that you are worthy, that you are beautiful, that you are good enough, that you are capable enough. Huwag mong i-outsource yun. You need to prepare yourself. Yung gusto mong magkaroon ng healthy, loving, committed relationship with someone, kailangan magkaroon ka muna ng healthy, loving, committed relationship. Know your worth, know your value. Kasi you will be settling for less than you deserve kung hindi mo alam yung love that you deserve. Kasi pilit mong hinahanap yung validation na yun, yung approval na yun from people or external factors around you. So let's see what is the challenges. So we have here the Emperor, taking accountability, taking responsibility of your own decisions and your actions. So as I've mentioned, hindi ka fully na kumbaga parang you are reliant, nagiging codependent ka on other people or external validation. Hindi mo man aminin, parang sasabihin mo hindi, pero in reality, might be for others of you, during your childhood, hindi mo to na-experience, hindi mo to naramdaman from the environment that you grew up with, you keep on being dependent or codependent on what are the certain approval, love, care, value, respect that you will be receiving from other people around you. And might be this week will be triggering you na instead na hanapin mo yun on the external, in your friends, family, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, or wife, you needed to give it to yourself first. Kasi at the end of the day, mawala man yung lahat ng mga taong yun, friends, family, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, or wife, you only got you. At kung ano man yung matatanggap mo from them, it's only an additional. So, wag kang mag-rely sa kanila. Kasi, ikaw yung unang dapat magmahal, rumispeto at magpahalaga sa sarili mo. Know your worth, know your value, know the love that you deserve. Kasi whatever you're going to give to yourself is what you receive from other people around you or circumstances around you. So when it comes to your love life, ano yung energies? We have here the Knight of Cups. There would be an emotional offer. It's either ikaw yung mag-offer, you will be receiving an emotional offer, a confession, a certain proposal for others of you. But then again, with the Knight of Cups, it's time for you to be open and ready to different possibilities. So probably hindi ka pa ganun emotionally mature in handling big emotions. So it's time for you na maging mag-level up. So kasi with the Knight of Cups, ito yung parang in between siya ng adult and childhood, toddler pa, adolescent siya. So ibig sabihin, hindi ka pa ganun fully emotionally mature in handling circumstances, kailangan mo muna aralin. So rather than i-offer mo ng i-offer yung cup mo to other people, it's time for you to offer it to yourself. Again, kung paano mo tatratuhin yung sarili mo, how you will be loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself is how you're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. So, if you wanted to receive that love, that care, that value, that respect, you had to give it to yourself. Kung makikita mo siya, imbis na ibinibigay niya, i-give niya, ino-open niya, ino-offer niya, she's holding it towards herself. So this week, it's all about giving to yourself more than what you are giving to others. What will be the challenges? What will be the obstacles when it comes to your love life or relationships in general? We have here the Seven of Wands, putting boundaries or kumbaga hinahayaan mo yung external reality, kung ano man yung magiging actions and decisions ng mga tao sa'yo, dictate your value and your worth as a certain individuals. So it's time for you to create that certain boundaries. So ano yung sinasabi nating boundaries? When we say boundaries, hindi ito pader. It's a limitation na kung ano lang yung effort na binibigay mo sa ibang tao, dapat mas higit pa ibibigay mo sa sarili mo. At kung ano lang yung required, yun lang ibigay mo. Don't give as much as what you wanted to give. Kasi at the end of the day, hindi yun marireciprocate sa'yo the way that you had given it to the connection or to other people or circumstances around you. Kung gusto mo, as I mentioned kanina, kung gusto mong mahalin ka, gusto mong respetuhin ka, pahalagahan ka at pasiyahin ka, you must give it to yourself first. You must acknowledge yourself. Kasi if you're just going to outsource that from other people, you will never be satisfied. And mighty nga, masyado kang nagiging codependent reliant. Boundaries, hindi lang to physical boundaries with other people. It's also boundaries on what you think, what you imagine, what you visualize, and what you speak. Kasi that becomes your reality. And another thing, para magkaroon ka ng boundaries, kailangan mo munang alamin yung value and worth mo as a certain individual. Kasi hindi mo totally ito mai-implement, itong boundaries na ito, if you keep on, kumbaga parang, sige, sa susunod na lang. Kumbaga hinahayaan mo, tinotolerate mo kung paano ka tratuhin ng mga tao sa paligid mo. You are the love that you think that you deserve. So, sa tingin mo, dahil ganito lang yung ibinibigay mo sa sarili mo, so once na people give you the bare minimum, you settle for that. Kumbaga parang nagiging sapat na yun sa'yo kasi you are expecting na kung ano man yung ibibigay. Kumbaga parang for others of you, hindi nyo ito inisip na ano naman yung intention naman yun eh, yung ginigive mo, hindi ka nag-iintay something in return, where in reality, in the back of your mind, you might be waiting it to be reciprocated. Kaya lang, iba-iba kasi tayo ng love language. So, hindi porket binuhas mo yung time, love, and energy mo in a certain situation, ganito ito babalik sa'yo kung paano mo to binigay or inoffer in a certain situation. No, it doesn't work that way. So, kung gusto mong bumalik sa'yo yung pagmamahal, respeto, at pagpapahalaga that you deserve, you have to be the first one to give it to yourself first. At kung ano man yung ibibigay mo na time, love, and energy to other people will only be an excess or additional, giving beyond yung ka-overflow mo. hindi yung buong energy mo ibibigay mo in a certain situation. To 10, magiging tendency nun, you are going to lose yourself along the process of trying to up to kumbaga wanting to receive or trying to get acknowledged or getting that certain reciprocation from people around you. So this is the time for you to create that boundaries, learn to say no pag hindi naman mo talaga gusto. Kasi may tendency tayo na ayaw natin magsabi ng no kasi ayaw natin makapanakit, ayaw natin maka-offend. When in reality, nako-compromise ka. So, know your worth, know the love, care, value, and respect that you deserve. And for you to be able to know that, you had to give to yourself the kind of love, care, value, respect na gusto mong matanggap from other people around you. So this is what I got for you. So remember, readings are only guidance. Readings are fluid. Energies change from time to time. You have your own free will on your decisions and your actions. So if interested ka to have your personalized tarot session with me, kindly check on the details on the description for more of the info. And again, kindly like, comment, share, and follow for more tarot energy readings and moon ritual contents. This is what I got for you. Maraming salamat. Sending you much love and light.